Hi again, it's me, Robert, with Pivot Up Digital. Yesterday's video, I got a lot of comments and follow-up questions regarding about the SEO and the Google My Business. And I want to say thank you very much for those comments and questions. The biggest thing, and it seems to be the biggest concern, especially with local contractors here in the local lower mainland of Vancouver, seems to be is why should I care about SEO? Why should I have a Google My Business? Now, here's what this is all about. What is the point of having a Google My Business anyway? And that seems to be a very commonality with a lot of businesses, whether it be contractors, whether it be small business, mom and pop shops, or it really doesn't matter from small, medium to large corporations. What is the point of having a Google My Business anyway? Well, let me tell you this. Having a Google My Business account is going to boost your credibility and lets everyone contact you very easy and fast. That's it. But there's a lot more to it than just that. Optimizing a Google My Business account will benefit any brand. Now, we all know Google is king, so why not take advantage of a tool that's available to you right now? Customers always want to see what you do. And this is why you must at least post once a week in your Google My Business account. Whether you're just posting a new feature, you're posting an update, adding a new team member to the account, it's important to stay close to your customers and allow them to interact with your media, which is through your Google My Business, your website. That's why the two go in conjunction with each other. Customers, I can't really emphasize this more. Customers will make decisions based on your reviews, your activity, the high quality, I can't emphasize the high quality of your media that you add to your Google My Business account. That's why there are multiple ways you can stay updated and take the right time to view the insights of your Google My Business. There is analytics inside Google My Business, by the way, in case you didn't know. Now here I'm going to talk to you about a guide of how you can drive huge engagement to gain new customers and rank high on Google. Number one, prepare some media, whether it be photos or videos. But you got to make sure they're high quality. Take professional photographs of your office, your products, your team members. Create some kind of illustrations, that best show the correct information about you, your tools, your services. Say, for example, a recent client, I told him to take pictures of his vehicles that are wrapped with his branding and his services. I find there's nothing more annoying when I see some kind of advertisement on side a vehicle and I look at it, they got a company name and a phone number, and I look and like, what do they do? What's it for? Do I need it? Do I don't need it? I'm certainly not going to phone it up and say, what do you do? And I don't know if I need, it's a waste of time. So I told him, get me a picture, high quality picture, wash the vehicles, get good quality pictures, send it to me and I'll put it out there for you. You can also personalize and maybe reach people faster and avoid the part where people want to download your videos and your pictures. Now, here's the thing. You got to use watermarks. Unless you protect your stuff, God knows where it could end up on the internet. We don't want that happening. So you can do, here's an example. You can actually add your logo on your media, on your photos, on your videos. You can add your logo or your slogan and just, change the size and the opacity of the picture that you're trying to put your branding onto. Now, here's the thing. You can schedule posts on Google My Business. Yes, it is possible to have an automated tool. Yes. But you got to decide the thing is that people decide, I'm just going to come home after work and I'm going to put a few posts out. No, 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 no. It doesn't work that way. You got to find out when people are searching for your business or services. Your product services, there's certain times of day that are imperatively important. So this is where you got to find out what day, time is the best to post. Is it going to be an event? Is it going to be an offer? Is it going to be a special? You know, these updates got to consist of some text, some photos, and links. And you can choose among certain range of call to actions. I call them CTAs, call to action. So say, for example, book now, order online quote, buy, learn more, sign up more, or actually better yet, call. But how many people actually call without getting the proper information first? See what I'm saying? So if you got an offer going on, great, but allow everyone to access coupon codes and redeem it online in the blink of an eye. It's a little bit more technical, but it's possible. It's not impossible, but it is possible. Select the desired date. And, limited time frames sometimes work, but people are so smart nowadays, they get it. Limited time offers, they do still exist. So don't always call the bluff and saying, I'll just run it over next month. I'll run it next month or next week. I'll just be careful with it, because if you get caught in that, it's going to come back and bite you in the hiney. So you got to have in your mindset what exactly you're going to be offering it, when is it going to be offered, the date and time when people are looking for stuff online, and at the same time, which social network do you additionally want to put it on? Where is your customers looking? Where are they hanging out? I know for sure that the people that I am working with, they certainly aren't on TikTok, but at the same time, where are your customers hanging out? Are they searching for your product or service on Google and finding it on the Google 3-pack? So, better yet, here's the thing. You can contact us at Pivot Up Digital at 1-800-346-9885. More than happy to talk to you about Google My Business and the so important, people, that Google My Business is not only free to set up, but how you set it up with the local SEO is extremely, extremely imperative. That's the thing. So better yet, my name is Robert. I am the founder of Pivot Up Digital. Give me a call. I'd like to talk to you about it. And, it's an easy conversation, no obligation. 1-800-346-9885. And, I look forward to speaking to you about this. It's Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, it is Wednesday the 7th. You have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you very soon.